Hey guys, welcome back to another video and I hope you all are doing well and are staying super safe. So as you can see over here, I open an Excel sheet and in that I'm having some kind of table in it. So today we are not going to do a kind of programming, but we are going to learn about Excel and we are going to make a registration sheet, right? Means not registration sheet, but it's an attendance sheet. So here you can see we have four or five name over here, bot 1, bot 2, bot 3, bot 5 and bot 4. So here we are going to take attendance of the whole month of the 10th month, right? Here it is, or the 10th month. If we are on the 11th, we can have 11th month, right? And at last we will like have the total of the total presence, total absent and how many holidays we have in our whole month, right? And here we have a drop down menu. We don't have to type present, absent or holiday. We just have to choose from it, like if we say p, and here you can see the count has been done, right? So I will explain you how to make this simple registration simple attendance sheet, right? And then in the another video, like not now but in the future upcoming video, I will teach you how to connect Python with Excel, and there we are going to make a registration form, right? So let's start with a script. So we will make a new sheet over here, right? So it's empty, right? So first of all we will add some names, right? So we will say bot 1, bot 1, bot 2, bot 3 and bot 4 and bot 5. At last bot 5. Here we are going to add dates, and now we are not going to make for like our 10th month, but we are going to make for our 11th month, that is maybe October, November, right? November. So for November we are going to make this attendance sheet. So basically we will type the date as usual. So we'll just say 01 11 2021 and just press enter. So here you can see our date is over here, right? Now just go in our number section over here. At the down you can see arrow, click that and go to customs, and then remove all these things. Just keep dd because we don't want whole date, we just want a date, right? We don't want month and year, we just want date. And then press ok. So here you can see 01 and then extend it to the last date. Over here you can see the count, it's our third date of 12th month, but we don't want it, we want till 30, right? So November have only 30 days, so we'll just leave it over here, right? And you can see over here that it has everything, and we will just decrease the column size, not like this. We'll just select it first of all. From here select like this, okay. Select all the rows over here and then decrease the size, right? Okay, so it's very much litter, now it's looking good. Now what we have to do is we have to add days, means we have added dates, now we have to add dates. So for days we will have a formula saying that is equal to text in bracket. It's just a small formula. Here we call formula, in Python we got code, right? Here we'll say text, and then we will say, we will just select it, and then we will say comma, and then into inverted commas we will say d. Don't type for 4 times, because if you will type, just a second. So we have done this thing, and now if you type for 3 times it will show like this, only Monday, right? But if you type this for 4 times it will say like this, whole Monday. But we have a little bit small space, so we are just going to have for only 3 alphabets of the starting day, right? So I will remove it, and here you can see we have Monday, only MON of Monday, right? Now I will extend it to the 30th, and here you can see the magic. All the things will set by each own, right? We don't have to go for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday all the times. I will just use this formula and then extend it to 30, and you will get all the days name, right, in only 3 alphabets. Now what we have to do is I will just specify some things over here, like these are dates, means DATE, dates, and these are names, right? Names on downside names. Over here we have names, and over here we have dates, right? So we will have some color into it, or else we will do it at last, but I think it's good if we do now, right? Now I'll just have some colors over here, so I will select it, all this thing. Then I will say left click and go into format cell. Over here we have a small pop-up window, and then we are going to go in our border, and then we will say outline and inside, right? So we will get all the borders, and we will use these inside also, outline also. Done. Now what we will do, we will go in fill section, and we will fill any color. I will choose this color, and then I will go into font, and black is perfect, and I will just say okay. So you can see we have the colors. Now we will have the same configuration for this row too, right? So I'll just press left click, go in format cell. Again I will go to border, I will choose this, I will choose outline inside. Okay, now I'll say fill and this color, and I'll just say okay. So here we have the same thing, right? Now what we have to do is we have to work on this, right? Only this much. And now we are going to make our drop down menu. So I'll select it. Sorry, I have to select one less column, but I don't know why I'm selecting one more. Now it is perfect. Yes, perfect. Now I'll go to data. I will say valid data validation. In data validation I will choose list. Okay, don't keep any value, just go and say list. From here drop down menu, select list, and then here is source. So in source you have to say capital P comma capital H, sorry, comma capital A means absent, and comma capital H, that is our holiday. So P stands for present, A stands for absence, and H stands for holidays, right? So now just a second. Okay, so now press OK. So here you can see in all these cells which we have selected, you can have a drop down menu, and you can say present or absent or Sunday's holiday, right? So now what I'm trying to say is all the things is done, and now we are going to color these cells too. So we are the same thing, left click format cells, select a color, select a light color because it's our main plane where we have to work every day, right? And then go to borders, select these, outline inside, and just press OK. So you will have colors and borders. Now if you want to highlight this all the Sundays, right, means all the end of the weekend Sundays, right? Sundays and Saturdays means you can do the same for Saturdays too, but I'm going to explain you for Sunday, right? Okay, now another part is to highlight Sundays, right? Means you have to highlight all these Sundays which occurs in this month, right? So what you have to do, select all these all things over here, select all things, means don't select the dates names, that because it is out of the table, means we don't want that, it is fixed, right? But we want to highlight the date, Sunday name, and the columns which we have in our sheet. So now go to conditional formatting, go to a new rule, and then select use a formula to determine which cell to format, right? So we are going to use a formula over here, then press in the enter widget, and then press on Monday, the first Monday, right? And then remove this dollar sign from here because we don't want your column, we want rows, right? We don't want specific column, right? We want whole row, means the Sunday, when the Sunday occurs, we want to row, not the column, right? So we'll remove dollar, and then we will say is equal to, in inverted commas we will say capital SUN, and then close the inverted commas, right? Then say format, select color, select border, right? And then say okay. Now just say okay, and boom, here you can see you have highlighted all these Sundays. Means if you copy this for the next month, like for the 12th month or December one, you will automatically get the highlighted Sundays, right? Means you don't have to go for everything for a new time, just have for once and just copy for the next month, and you can use it for whole year. Then here we go for total, right? means we have to count the all these things, means how many times the bot 1 or bot 2, means the specified student have attend the classes or have absent, means have kept absent or have an holiday from your school, right? So basically we'll just select these, and then we will say merge, where it is merge and center, right? And then I will just type total holiday, total presence, right? First of all we have presence, 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 right? Now what I will do is select this and say wrap text, so that you can see whole the text over here, whole text over here, right? Total presence, right? presence, right? Then again do same for this merge and center, say total absent, right? Absence, excuse me. And then say total absent means wrap text over here. Then say same thing for merge and center, and then say total holidays, total total holys holidays, right? Sorry, holy days days holidays, right? Then again say wrap text, and here you go. So just I will do say capital H and capital P over here, capital P, right? So we have these things. Now we have to color all these things, so I'll just select it, go to format cell, where it is format cell. I'll say fill with a blue color. Okay, we'll use this blue color. We'll say border outline, and we just want the middle line, right? We don't want the cross line too, and we will have a thick border over here, and just say okay. So here you can see we have our thing, total present, total absent, and total holidays, right? So even if you want to keep the text in a white, you can have it. Go to again, go to format cell, go in font, and select from here automatic. It will say automatic over here. It will keep black only, automatic will keep black only, but do it like customize it to white. Then go to border and select this inside, but don't select this, sorry, outside, inside. What we have to do, okay, don't select inside one, just select none, just say none, select outline, means outside one, right? So what I'm trying to say is we want outside one and the horizontal one, we don't want a vertical one, right? So we'll just say this, like we want this type of thing, right? And then say okay. So here you go. Now what we have to do is we have to count this whole thing, right? Just let me keep all the borders, it will look good. Go to format cell, inside also, and then say okay. Here it look good, like means we can arrange our data in this format. So now what we have to do is we have to count total present, right? How many times, the means how many days a specified student has attended the classes. So we will say present over here, some means fill some data, so that you can get that our formula is working correctly and it is good to go. So I'll just say present for many times present. Now what we have to do is we have to count it, right? As we say, we have to count the number of days that a student has uh, attended the classes, right? So we will say count if c is equal to count if, right? So here we go, count, sorry, count if, eh, sorry, count if in bracket we have to specify a range from where to where we have to count. So we'll select whole this range, right? From here to here we want all the things, right? And then we just say comma. Over here you can't see the formula, so you can see over here, up over here you can see my arrow right over there. Now say inverted commas, say capital P, what you have to count, right? So all the p's in a specified range, the Excel or the Microsoft Excel will count it, right? And then press means close the bracket and say enter. So you can see we have 4 present. So let's count it here, 1 2 3 and 4, right? So if I add 1 over here to P, then here you can see it increased, right? If again I will say P over here, it increased, right? So our formula is working. So just extend it or stretch it till the end. So here you can see all the things. Okay, I'll have to do it again because we forgot our last. Right, in the last again, see, it's 0. If I will put 1, it will be increased, right? It is 1 over here. So the same thing for goes for the both of the thing, both of the columns, right? So it's our total absent. So here we will just say, sorry, array control z, control z, control z, control z, control Z. Okay, we don't want anything. Array, what happened? Okay, we don't want anything. Okay, here. Okay, so we have everything over here, but I forgot to do done. So I think it's done. Our formula is working correct. Yep, it's correct, right? So now I'll just paste it over here. In place of p, we are going to say a. A means absence. Now the program, sorry, the formula will count all the a present in a specified range, right? Then press enter. So you can see 2a. So let's count 1 and 2. So we have only 2. If I will add 1 or absent over here, it will count 3. So formula is working. Just copy it till down, right? Same goes for this. Just paste it in say h, right? So it will count all the h, right? And just press enter, and here you can see that it is showing 3 holidays, right? So let's count it: 1, 2, and h Sunday 3 holidays, right? So basically we have 3 holidays, or like the bot one has kept absent for 3 holidays, right? Now we have to extend till 1, right? So our form is done, means our attendance sheet is done. So here you can see we have completed our attendance sheet. Like, just cross check it, yeah, if all the formula is working or not. Here we go, we will say present, again we will say a present over here, absent, present, absent, or else a holiday over here, absent over here, uh, present over here, absent over here, present over here. Anything you want, just put randomly so that you can have it. So here you can see total present is 1 and total absent is 2. So let's count it: 1p and 2a. So it is correct. Here everything is 111, so it's 1 holiday, 1 absent, and 1 present, right? So guys, at last we have completed with our project. If you like this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe.